System ready.
Damn, the pollen in here. Shit. About out of gas, which is a good thing when we're installing the fuel pump, so I'm not gonna worry about getting no gas. Alright, so we're at the lab. Go ahead and pop the hood. I'm gonna do a few things. Alright, so we're at the lab. Go ahead and pop the hood. I'm gonna do a few things to get everything set up. The base map is here, so I have to install all of this shit. So I have my AEM 340 fuel pump. I got my boost controller, TGV and EGR deletes in here. We got the flex fuel kit, and we have our Grim Speed intake. So we're gonna get all this put on today. I've already started. I got the intercooler took off. I got some of the intake took apart. And now I'm working on getting the intake manifold off so we can get to the EGR and TGV. So we're gonna do that first. And once I get all this took apart, we'll be able to put the deletes in, put everything back together. Then we'll probably move on to the intake, get that out of the way, and do the boost controller. And then last, we'll put on the flex fuel and the fuel pump. So it's gonna be definitely a fun day. All right, I got the intake manifold pretty much unbolted. It's ready to come out, but there's a lot of hoses and shit connected to it, so. Hand me that thing. Hand me that little gun. Oh, there's another bolt I didn't see. Guys, don't forget there's a bolt right there. Make sure it's not another one on that side of there. Alright, so we finally got the TGVs out. I was trying to take out the entire intake manifold, but really you just lift up on it and these literally just slide out. So we slid these out. We're going to slide the TGV deletes in. As you can see, these don't have the flaps. So this is going to be not only make more power, but it's going to be a lot more healthier for the engine, keeping all that gook and mess going back into the combustion chamber. That's why we're going to also be deleting the EGR system. So I'm going to get these installed, delete the EGR, and then we'll be on to the next part. Alright guys, so I got the TGVs out. I didn't really record it putting them back in because it was literally the same thing in reverse. It would be repetitive to record that, but the install of those was pretty simple. Just make sure you don't put them in backwards, because when I first put them in, I kept putting them in wrong and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So if you're ever putting in your TGV deletes and it's not lining up and something weird is happening, they're probably backwards. So just switch the sides and keep going. Right now I'm working on the EGR. So I already have the top mount, or the top plate already. I hadn't mounted it up, but it's just sitting here. Right now we're working on getting this canister out, and we're gonna get this. We got the coolant line pinched, so just playing with coolant's always a good time. So let's get this undone. Hopefully we don't have a mess, but we probably will. Let me unpinch this, and oh shit, something definitely just leaked out from somewhere. That's always a good sign. Some coolant. Not sure where it's coming from, but it's leaking. Awesome. Alright, we're live. Guys, I just got the EGR and TGV deletes done. This is the whole EGR system. This shit alone was tough. This was not an easy install. So we got it out the way. We got the TGVs in it, and we got the TGVs in. So now we're going to move on to the flex fuel. So the flex kit shouldn't be very difficult. It should be pretty straightforward. So let me get everything laid out, get everything kind of set up to where I want it to be, and get these things installed. Ooh, let me turn that off. We get copyrighted. All right, guys. So I got the flex kit on. Everything's wired up. I just put the Grim Speed electronic boost control solenoid. Just put that on. That was a pretty. Oh wait, I gotta hook some more shit back up, so I'm not done with that. But that's back on. Right now, I'm unboxing the Grim Speed cold air intake. It's all good. Got some sweet stickers here. Gonna slap those on after this. Shout out to New Provision. Shout out to Nick for helping me out and getting this in. All right, so here's our intake piping. And this is probably gonna be our filter, I'm assuming. Yeah, filter and the shield. Go finish up with the boost control solenoid and then we'll start putting the intake on. All right, guys, we got everything put back together. The fuel pump's in, and I'm a little woozy right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just smelt so much gas. I got the tune right here ready to be reflashed. Thank you to my girlfriend Sabrina for bringing me my keys because I left them at the house. Let's go ahead and load this tune on here and see what happens. Hey, babe.
You recording?
Yeah. I might have to go do a log, at least so you can get me try to get me a tune tonight. Damn, still got to load. All right, guys, so the tune is almost done. It's restarting or something. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. All right, boys, this is it. First start.
System ready.
Flex tune number 1. Well, we got an issue, guys. I have a feeling it's gonna be something to do with that fucking fuel pump. God damn it. We got an issue, and I don't know what. Huh? What happened?
System ready.
Let's go.
System ready.
What? This is my camera. This is a camera. What would you rate that install? 10 being that was garbage. I know did that again. Oh, I gotta put that back on. Well, now I gotta put my seat back in. I was looking for that flathead. Guys, well, I'm gonna take this thing for a ride around the block. I'm gonna put this back in, put my back seats back in. Hopefully this code will go away like the guy says, and we'll be good to do some data logging tomorrow. So hopefully we can start getting some tuning going tomorrow, and eventually we'll finally get to E60. It seems like a long ass road ahead of me, but we're gonna get there, man. I'm telling you. I don't know when or how, but we're gonna get there. But that's all for today, guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna get back with the tuning, get this tune situated. So catch you guys on the next one.